Welcome everyone. Today, we are exploring the heart of the Christian faith. This video is designed to be simple and encouraging for anyone starting their journey. Christians understand God as the creator who made the entire universe, including the sun, stars, and nature. God is good and loves everything he made. The Holy Bible is God's message, showing us the best way to live and love others. Christians consider the Bible to be the trustworthy final truth. Jesus Christ is central to the faith. He is understood as God's Son, who came from heaven. He showed us what God is like and taught us to forgive and help. Now we move to the story of grace, which is about connecting with God through a relationship, not just rules. This starts with understanding our need for God. Sin means separation from God's perfect love. We all make mistakes, and Christians believe we cannot fix this relationship alone. God's solution is that Jesus died on the cross to bridge the gap between us and God. Grace is a 100% free gift. It's not earned. Salvation is a gift of love. You don't have to be perfect to receive it. You only need to believe. Trusting God, or faith, means focusing on loving God and accepting a place in His family as a gift, rather than trying to be perfect or earn it. The path of faith is a journey, not a one-time event. We start by believing, receive forgiveness, and spend our lives growing closer to God through hope. A core teaching from Jesus Christ is to love the Lord your God with all your heart and love your neighbor as yourself. We have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching and exploring these core beliefs.